Yeah, so someone at the hostel told me about this waterfall over here. I've been walking for around 3.5 to 4 kilometers and it's still 2.5 kilometers away. Feels like forever. Probably should have taken an Activa, but then again, I think I am just loving the stroll. The scenery is amazing. Yeah, so another kilometer up and like see the view. It's amazing. That's the entirety of Bir Valley. Looks amazing, yeah. You can see the step farming over there in distance. There's like huge mountain ranges back there. So guys, after almost 5.3 kilometers of walking, I finally reached the place. That's the Her Cafe. It has been recommended by a fellow hostler. So they've said that they serve great Himachali food. So let's try and test it out. I had madra over there. It is basically a Himachali dish comprised of white chana and potato. Also, I had this masala chai with this cute Australian couple who joined me on the waterfall trip.
Oh yes, I will give you a pet. I'll give you a pet. I'll give you a pet. Good boy. No. That's it. He's a friend now.
Yeah, so basically they give you a whole tour.
Will you be our guide?
Here's a guide.
We have a guide now.
Oh yeah, I'll see you climb now.
I'm sorry, I think I have this very bad habit. I keep on talking to people without knowing their names.
Oh, yeah. Oh, we do that as well. Yeah.
It seems like we are on the same boat.
Oh yeah.
Athena.
Athena.
Athena, yes.
Like the Greek goddess.
Yes, like the Greek goddess, yes.
I'm
exactly.
Jesse.
but it was Jesse.
Jesse, okay.
Jasminder.
Okay.
Jasminder Singh.
The
So-
man of many names.
But yeah,
Oh, nice.
now I'm known as Jesse.
Yeah, you got Australian eyes.
Unofficial documents is Jasminder, but with general stuff it's Jesse. Cause
Like I went to Sisu last year and there were such shiny rocks over there. I couldn't, get my eyes on one rock. So I wanted to take all those rocks. Like I now I made this a point whenever I go to a Himachal village.
Pick a stone.
I just pick like the most attractive stone I can.
Now, that's what my kind of thing is as well. I'll look how much silica.
Be like that's going to be 300
Yeah,
bucks
yeah.
or like 3 Parle G biscuits or else I'm gonna bite you.
It's like पैसा किसका अरे तेरे लिए नाची मैं that Nana Patekar.
Exploring what happens over here. There are mountain ranges over there. Like it looks so beautiful. Like you can see like the mountain behind that.
It will look epic when the rhododendrons are flowering.
Right.
In bloom. It'll be all like red.
And we are at the waterfall. So that's not the one where guides normally frequent. I think what is not here as I expected it to be, but still it's nice. So I'm all dressed up for the waterfall, as you guys can see. Yeah. So there. Oh, ha, ha. Oh. Oh. Oh my god. Oh. Ah. damn, yeah. I think I'm gonna go in for a dip. Oh, that's cold. That's cold. Fuck. Oh, amazing. नहीं यार, I am just asking कि हो गया या वैसे. Another dip. This time I'm gonna try putting down a face. Oh. Damn. Oh. Oh. Oh, damn. I feel like I'm feeling the veins in my face right now.
Yeah.
So I'll take a dip. I'll try and hold my breath as long as I can. I think that was hardly 10 seconds. Oh, damn. It's already going numb. Yeah.
So just try sitting
Okay.
initially with your head out and just
Okay.
mouth breathe.
Or like that.
Yeah. And you can.
Yeah, a lot of heat exchange is taking place.
Yeah. So the body needs to go into a contract.
Yeah. It's like a private ice bath for us. Yeah. Oh, no. Oh. Damn.